Hello guys, welcome back to our channel RK Data Labs. Today we are going to discuss about one new topic in AWS. Yes. So how to install AWS CLI command line interface in your local Windows machine. That's very simple, straightforward, easy to download and easy to configure. Once you complete it, you can even access couple of AWS services like S3, EC2, EMR, etc. from the command line interface itself. Alright, let's move on. So first we want to download the respective AWS CLI installer package. So what we can do, so we want to put Windows and then we can put download. So I'm trying to download it from the official website itself. So try to download it from the official website. So mine is a 64-bit. If you see at the right side, you have like a couple of options like what is the OS. I'm trying to choose the 64-bit accordingly. So now it is trying to download it. Before we move on, also please ensure that we have the right access key, secret key ID as well. So from where you can get it? Simple. Go to AWS Management Console, click this account, click on security credentials. So you can able to navigate at the bottom. You can see couple of access keys. So what I'm trying to do, I'm just going to create a new key here, and then I'm going to download it as a CSV file. So it's always very good that you one time at least download the file, because now you cannot able to retrieve the access key once you try to create it. All right, so let's complete this one. So we can ensure that it has been completed. Yes, we have completed now. So what I'm trying to do, I'm just going to open the file now. So I'll go to downloads. So I'll open this file. Yes, so now we also have the installer as well. So what I'm trying to do, okay, I'm just going to install it accordingly. So I'm just going to install the AWS CLI now. It is basically an MSI. We just want to simply run the installer. The moment you complete it, you can just simply access it. Please ensure that you have the valid access key ID and secret access key. It acts like a username and password when you want to authenticate to your respective accounts. So in addition to that, region is very important. And how do you retrieve it? You go here and you can see here which region you are actually into. Okay, so how do you check it? Which region are you into? You can go to S3, and obviously the region will be changed to the default region which you are actually working on. So if you can able to see here, you will be able to see the region here. I'm able to see the North Virginia. Okay, so it is trying to complete it. All right, so it has completed. Let's try to complete this. And then now what we are going to do, we are going to open the command prompt. All right, so now what we can do, we can check for the version of the AWS which we have recently installed. You can use this option AWS followed by hyphen version, so that like it will tell like what is the version of AWS that you have configured. All right, now it's time for us to configure the AWS services, right? So how do we do it? It's very simple. Go here and put AWS hyphen configure. So it is trying to ask like AWS configure, and then what you need to do, you need to just copy paste this access key ID and then click on enter, and then obviously you want to select the complete access key, secret access key, and then it will ask for the region. So please try to give the US East 1, and whichever the region that you are actually working into. Mine is US East 1. I'm just giving it. So let's not worry about the output format and all. So now it's all clear. So I'm just clearing it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply see like list some of the files in S3. So simple, S3 followed by the bucket name. Let's take from one of the bucket. Alright, so let me take this bucket. go over there, you copy the name of the bucket. So now I'm trying to list out the objects which is present inside this S3 bucket. So it's pretty simple, guys. So the moment you hit the command, that's pretty simple. You are able to see the list of files which is present inside the S3 bucket, AWS Test Data Arcade Data Labs. So likewise, similarly, you can able to get like all the respect to AWS commands. Just if you can put AWS help, you can able to get like all kind of commands that you are going to work into it. So it's pretty simple. You can have like a lot of options here. If you scroll up and scroll down, you get a lot of varieties of options over here. So that's it from today. You hope you enjoy this video and easy to understand like how to install the command line interface in your machine. Stay tuned, guys. We'll meet you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching this video.